Good morning students. Now see your page number 55. Today we will see exercise 4G. What is given in this exercise? Complete the following multiplication tables. Now we have to complete all these tables here one by one. So we will start. See, multiplication sign is given here. This cross means what? Multiplication. So 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. 1 multiplied by 2 equal to 2. 1 multiplied by 3 equal to 3. 1 multiplied by 4 equal to 4. 1 multiplied by 5 equal to 5. 1 multiplied by 6 equal to 6. 1 multiplied by 7 equal to 7. 1 multiplied by 8 equal to 8. 1 multiplied by 9 equal to 9. 1 multiplied by 10 equal to 10. Okay. Now see, what is this? 2. 2 multiplied by 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 multiplied by 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 threes are 6. 2 multiplied by 4. 2 fours are 8. 2 multiplied by 5. 2 fives are 10. 2 multiplied by 6. 2 sixes are 12. 2 multiplied by 7. 2 sevens are 14. 2 multiplied by 8. 2 eights are 16. 2 multiplied by 9. 2 nines are 18. 2 multiplied by 10. 2 tens are 20. So, this is our table of 2. Now, we have to write out table of 3. 3 multiplied by 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 multiplied by 2. 3 twos are 6. 3 multiplied by 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 multiplied by 4. 3 fours are 12. 3 multiplied by 5. 3 fives are 15. 3 multiplied by 6. 3 sixes are 18. 3 multiplied by 7. 3 sevens are 21. 3 multiplied by 8. 3 eights are 24. 3 multiplied by 9. 3 nines are 27. 3 multiplied by 10. 3 tens are 30. So, this is table of 3. Now, we have to write down table of 4. 4 multiplied by 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 multiplied by 2. 4 twos are 8. 4 multiplied by 3. 4 threes are 12. 4 multiplied by 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 multiplied by 5. 4 fives are 20. 4 multiplied by 6. 4 sixes are 24. 4 multiplied by 7. 4 sevens are 28. 4 multiplied by 8. 4 eights are 32. 4 multiplied by 9. 4 nines are 36. 4 multiplied by 10. 4 tens are 40. So, this is table of 4. We have to write down now table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 multiplied by 2. 5 twos are 10. 5 multiplied by 3. 5 threes are 15. 5 multiplied by 4. 5 fours are 20. 5 multiplied by 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 multiplied by 6. 5 sixes are 30. 5 multiplied by 7. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 multiplied by 8. 40. 5 multiplied by 9. 45. 5 tens are 50. So, this is our table of 5. Now, we have to complete table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. 6 multiplied by 4, 6 fours are 24. 6 multiplied by 5, 6 fives are 30. 6 multiplied by 6, 6 six are 36. 6 multiplied by 7, 6 sevens are 42. 6 multiplied by 8, 6 eights are 48. 6 multiplied by 9 was 54. 6 tens are 60. Okay, so this is our table of 6. So carefully you write down this table. Now see second table, complete the following multiplication tables. Now in this table numbers are given randomly. So we have to be very careful when we are writing the answer. So we will see one by one. Be careful when you are writing the answer. Okay. So we will start 6 multiplied by 4. 6 4s are 24. 6 multiplied by 7. 6 7s are 42. 6 multiplied by 5. 6 5s are 30. 6 multiplied by 8. 6 8s are 48. 6 multiplied by 10. 6 10s are 60. 6 multiplied by 3. 6 3s are 18. 6 multiplied by 6. 6 6s are 36. 6 multiplied by 2. 6 2s are 12. 6 multiplied by 9. 6 9s are 54. So you can see here the order is different here. See now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So we cannot say this is table of 6, but we can say that this table is a random table. Okay. So we can see all the numbers are given from 6 2s are up to 6 10s. Okay. So in this way we have to complete all these tables randomly. Okay, so we will start table of 2. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 2 multiplied by 7, 14. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 2 multiplied by 8, 2 8s are 16. 2 10s are 20. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. Okay. So now we have to write down or do the multiplication of 8. 8 multiplied by 4. 8 4s are 32. 8 7s are 56. 8 5s are 40. 8 8s are 64. 8 10s are 80. 8 3s are 24. 8 6s are 48. 8 2s are 16. 8 9s are 72. Okay. So this is random table of 8. Now see table of 5 randomly. 5 multiplied by 4. 5 4s are 20. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. 5 10s are 50. 5 3s are 15. 5 6s are 30. 5 2s are 10. 5 9s are 45. Okay. Now table of 9. 9 multiplied by 4. 9 4s are 36. 9 7s are 63. 9 5s are 45. 9 8s are 72. 9 10s are 90. 9 3s are 27. 9 6s are 54. 9 2s are 80. 9 9s are 81. Now table of 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. 3 8s are 24. 3 10 za 30, 3 3 za 9, 3 6 za 18, 3 2 za 6, 3 9 za 27. Now 10. 10 multiplied by 4. 10 4 za 40, 10 7 za 70, 10 5 za 50, 10 8 za 80, 10 10 za 100, 10 3 za 30, 10 6 za 60, 10 2 za 20, 10 9 za 90. So you have to write down this table carefully. Now see your page number 56. On this page number 56, you can see tables from 2 to 10. Okay, so we can prepare tables by adding that number. See, for example, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18, 18 plus 2 20. Okay, so we can say that repeated addition is nothing but the multiplication. So we can see all the tables from 2 to 10. You can see here all the tables and you can learn it properly, or you can write down in your notebook, rough notebook. Okay, now see your page number 57. Now see exercise 4H. A question. Find the product using tables. So first question is 5 4s are. Very simple multiplication is there. 5 4s are 20. Second question, 9 3s are. 9 3s are 27. Third question, 6 5s are. 6 5s are 30. Fourth question, 6 3s are. 6 3s are 18. Fifth question, 8 2s are. 8 2s are 16. Sixth question, 6 6s are 36. Now see seventh question. 7 5s are. 7 5s are 35. Eighth question. 8 10s are 80. Ninth question. 9 2s are 18. 10th question. 4 6s are 24. 11th question. 5 5s are 25. 12th question. 7 4s are 28. So you write down all the answers correctly. Now see B question. Fill in the blanks. First question, 6 5s are. 6 5s are 30. Second question, dash multiplied by 7 equal to 56. In the table of 7, 56 number is there. Yes, 7 8s are 56. So write down here 8. Third question, 9 2s are 18. Fourth question, dash multiplied by 3 equal to 21. In the table of 3, 21 number is there. Yes, 3 7s are 21. So you write down here 7. Now see fifth question. 10 multiplied by dash equal to 50. So in the table of 10, 50 number is there. Yes, 10 5s are 50. Now see sixth number question. 7 multiplied by dash equal to 42. So in the table of 7, 42 number is there. Yes, 7 6s are 42. Now see seventh question. 4 8s are 32. Write down 32. Eighth question. Dash multiplied by 8 equal to 40. So in the table of 8, 40 number is there. Yes, 8 5s are 40. So you write down here 5. Now see ninth question. 4 9s are. 4 9s are 36. So you write down 36. Now see 10th question. Dash multiplied by 7 equal to 28. In the table of 7, 28 number is there. Yes, 7 4s are 28. So you write down 4. Now see 11th question. 6 multiplied by dash equal to 54. So in the table of 6, 54 number is there. Yes, 6 9 the 54. You write down here 9. Now see 12th question. 10 multiplied by dash equal to 10. So 10 1 is a 10. So we have to write here 1. So write down correctly all the answers. Now see exercise 4I, page number 58. What is the question? Fill in the blanks. First question. 6 1s are 6. 6 multiplied by 1. 6 1s are 6. Second question. 5 multiplied by 6 equal to 6 multiplied by dash. See, both the sides we have to do equally here. So 5 multiplied by 6 this side equal to 6 multiplied by 5. So we have to write down here 5 number. Okay. Now see third question. 7 multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0, answer is 0. Every time you remember this thing. Okay. Now see fourth question. 4 multiplied by dash equal to 4. So 4 1s are 4. So we have to write here 1. Now see fifth question. 1 multiplied by 1 equal to how much? 1. So write down here 1. Now see sixth question. 8 multiplied by dash equal to 0. Yes, I told you. Any number multiplied by 0, answer is 0. So we have to write here 0. 8 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. Now see seventh question. 9 multiplied by 1. 9 1s are 9. 15 multiplied by dash equal to 15. So 15 1s are 50. So write down here 1. Now see ninth question. 10 multiplied by 0. Any number multiplied by 0, answer is 0. So write down here 0. Now see 10th question. 15 multiplied by dash equal to 0. So what we have to write here? 0. Because 0 multiplied by any number, answer is 0. Now see 11th question. 3 multiplied by 4 equal to 4 multiplied by dash. So both the sides we have to do equal. So 3 multiplied by 4, then 4 multiplied by 3. Very simple. So write down here 3. Now see 12th question. 7 multiplied by dash equal to 2 multiplied by 7. So both the sides we have to do it same. So 2 multiplied by 7, then 7 multiplied by which number we have to write? We have to write here 2. So write down all the answers correctly. Now see page number 59. Exercise 4J. Using the multiplication tables, find the products. Products means our answer. Okay, so we will start. First example, 4 3s are 12. So write down here 12. Second example, 2 8s are 16. Answer is 16. Third example, 9 5s are. 9 5s are 45. So write down answer 45. Now see fourth question. 4 5s are 20. Write down here 20. Now write down fifth example. 8 2s are 16. What is our answer? 16. Sixth question. 2 9s are 18. Write down 18. 7 3s are 21. You write down answer here 21. 6 8s are 48. Okay, write down answer 48. See ninth question. 5 2s are 10. Answer is 10. Now see 10th question. 9 4s are 36. Okay, so write down 36. 8 7s are 56. 7 multiplied by 2. 7 2s are 14. So write down answer 14. 9 6 are 54. Answer is 54. 3 9s are 27. Okay. 15 question. 4 7s are 28. Now see last question. 4 2s are 8. So write down 8. So in this way complete your examples.